Welcome back, y'all. So about 2 weeks ago, I made a DIY self-watering system for my plants. 2 weeks ago, I became a plant mom, and now 2 weeks later, I'm going to show you what they look like now. Here are my flowers after 2 days, and then here they are again after 3 days, and pretty much everyone else started to sprout as well. After 5 days, my parsley and oregano were nowhere to be found, and I also planted more flowers here. After 11 days, pretty much all of my flowers had pretty much sprouted. Also, you guys, after I recorded, I did do a little bit of research, which I probably should have did before I recorded, but I did not know that you was not supposed to put more than 2 or 3 seeds in a pot. Y'all, I put about 50 to over 100 seeds in each pot, which caused my plants to be super crowded, and because they were super crowded, they didn't have much room to grow. Pretty much some of it started to wilt off and die, which is exactly what my cosmos did. Y'all, them cosmos are over with. But my basil did grow out really pretty. I like my basil, but you can see where the basil is started to wilt off too because it's crowded. My oregano was probably the slowest and the very last to come in, but it's still looking very healthy. And my flowers, I think, are very pretty. These are the flowers that were in that heart vase. I put them in a taller vase because I wanted to see the roots, which is really cool. It's just rocks and water. Okay, you guys, this has been my 2-week update. I'm a little late, I know, but this is what they're looking like. I might redo them, I might not. I will let you know though. Thank you again for watching. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.